Hey guys, it's your boy, Sean here. And we got a very dangerous thunderstorm moving in right here. So as you can see, the thunderstorm is like right now on our doorstep. And this storm might bring, and they said that this storm has frequent lightning added onto it. I have no idea what that could mean for any of you guys outside of the state. But yeah, there's a dangerous, very dangerous thunderstorm coming. So here's my girl. Yeah. After this thunderstorm cannot be much more dangerous than what it is right now. Even though thunderstorms like this don't usually get this bad here in Pittsburgh, but I think this one takes the cake. I think this one really takes the cake. Like you guys see, the storm is right over there. It's like right there.
Another event that we were at earlier today, here from those event organizers again. What we heard, things are getting better. That seems to be the statement most police officers were saying. We'll have more of that coming up for you. Reporting now live.
Yes, this is a dangerous thunderstorm that's rolling in our area, and I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is up there. Yeah, but this is a dangerous thunderstorm going in. I don't know if you guys see like the rain or something, example. It looks like it's raining right now. I don't know. Oh, there goes the thunder. There goes the thunder. The thunderstorm is here. And they say this is a dangerous thunderstorm that may bring frequent lightning. I don't know what that means, because I mean there is like so much rain coming down, and if it didn't rain at all. And I'm not. Oh, there it is right now.
My sinuses were clogged, pressure, headaches.
Suffered for years with chronic sinus infections.
Yeah, this thunderstorm may bring frequent lightning and there's little birds flying.
I would do it again in a heartbeat.
Here in Pittsburgh, we don't really get these type of thunderstorms. And they said that the storm may cause flooding too. I don't know what that is. You can't really see the lightning at all. Here goes the rain. It's coming down.
Well, as Debbie slowly makes its way up the East Coast, the once hurricane is now dropping historic levels of rain on coastal communities big and small. The threat is expected to last for days. Christian Benavides reports now from Savannah.
Debbie flooded streets, knocked out power, and damaged oceanfront.
I don't know if this storm might show us something or anything.
I mean, it was kind of crazy to see
Or not.
like this. Never really seen it as this flooded before.
Since I've recorded, it must be some sort of lightning strikes or something, because there is lightning just going off almost everywhere.
Until Wednesday morning. I know this is frustrating to some. The reality is that nobody.
There's the rain is coming down hard.
Debbie is still causing problems in Georgia. There are plenty of flooded streets, and about 47,000 people began the day with no power. The governor says another 4 inches of rain could soak residents, up to 8 in some areas. He's warning everyone to stay diligent.
Do not
I mean, I
let
don't
the
see
storm
any
lull
lightning.
you to sleep.
I don't see any lightning with
Areas
this.
right now are not experiencing rain and high winds, but both models are showing that rain will
But
come
if
back.
there is lightning, it must be invisible. You can't really see the lightning with these thunderstorms.
A woman and her 4 children were inside.
It was out of my hands and everybody else's hands, you know, it's nature, but it's still like moving forward. What do I do?
At the airport in Pittsburgh, it's been a rough start to the week. On Monday, nearly 1,900 flights were canceled, and with more
For a while, it was really raining in there.
airlines have
Those grounds and all that.
airports in the southeast. Christian Benavides, CBS News, Savannah, Georgia.
And right now,
If there is lightning with this, then it'll be like
again, looking at that KDK for the weather day.
poofing with
Again, we're looking now at that rain
flashes.
coming down here, and things are changing very quickly. Just within the last few minutes, you can no
Yeah,
longer
but that
see
storm is here.
that beautiful shot of downtown Pittsburgh that we're sharing with you from our tower here, because it's
Let me see what it is. So is he still gonna do anything for us today or something? Huh? Are we gonna do anything for us today?
right now, and we do have flooding issues across the map. So heavy rain in downtown, we went from 90 degrees to 76 degrees in about 20 minutes. Northwesterly winds are moving in, so we have strong wind gusts. We have a lot of damage.
Some may bring damaging winds too, actually.
Same for areas north, but still just looking at that damage. And right now, we're looking at a flash flood warning for
It's still dangerous. You can't really see the lightning with this. You have to call this dangerous. It's just rain. Oh, wow. I guess I dared you. I guess this thunderstorm wrong or something, didn't I? Holy smokes.
be bringing some much needed rain across. We're seeing extreme drought conditions.
I hope the camera got that.
So just looking at a 7-day forecast tomorrow, we're really pulling down from 80s back to the upper 80s Thursday. But Friday is a potential big day for some weather day because of that.
You can see the rain just whirling around. And this dangerous severe thunderstorm just rolling in. And it's right now here. Then I wonder where that hit. I might have to review the footage.
3 years later, meet Tigger and his family from Lancaster County. Tigger is proof cats really do have 9 lives. According to Lancaster County Regional Police,
And
staff is reunited with his family after going
I guess this storm is dangerous, isn't it?
effort to bring Tigger home began in late July.
Oh, the sun's shining in the clouds of this thunderstorm. See that? There's the sun. Trying to be good.
Speaking of adorable furry friends, there is a new celebrity couple in Southern California. The giant pandas have arrived there. They're the first new set of pandas in America in more than 2 decades. They make their official public debut.
As the rain is coming down.
A 5-year-old Yushan and 3-year-old
And this thunderstorm is here now.
So remember yesterday when we told you about the $100 dog perfume? Well, less than 24 hours later, Auntie Anne's
It's almost like the same thunderstorm that I was in walking the program this one day.
scent from those pretzels.
This one Thursday.
Local mall, right? Well, this perfume is called Me with a K, and it's infused with notes of
Alright, what was that? Sorry guys, this other place is just sucking at some rain. Yeah, I wasn't to a song right now. Something is like this.
Some women and has set up at least one date.
I think I know what it is. When you mention you can cook well, that's going to be the personal experience. My wife never complains when I cook. That's all I'm saying.
Well, we need to run a billboard and tell people about Josh's abilities in the kitchen.
Flash flood
My
warning
wife will,
effective until 6:45 for Indiana County and Pennsylvania. Flash flood warning for Central Indiana County and West Central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. EDT. At 3:39 p.m. EDT, Doppler radar and automated rain indicated by, I guess, thunderstorms. I'm not 100% sure. I guess this thunderstorm. I think this storm might cause a flood. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe. Yeah, comment and subscribe to our channel and tell them what you think about this wicked thunderstorm that's here and it's now moving on. How much you guys think about it? If you like it, make sure you comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you guys won't miss on any of our upcoming videos. And until next time, peace.